nag-uusap na ako. It's time to play Jeopardy! Here are the contestants. First is a trumpet player who is also a singer-songwriter, Blair Parabas. Contestant number 2 is a trumpet player who is also the name of the school, CJ. Raimundo. Prince Joseus. Next is a saxophone player who just got her solo last month, Elijah Chloe Santos. And the last participant is a horn player who is the enthusiastic of the group, Lee Mariel. And now, please welcome our host, Sir JP. Hey, welcome everyone. We have grade 10 as the participants. So good luck sa inyo. Okay.
Good luck sa akin.
So round 1 is Gensai, round 2 is yung nireview niya. Okay? So here are the categories. The body. Gensai. Ay, hindi natuloy kasi kahapon.
Body.
Biology.
Biology!
Alam ko, nagbabagsak ako dito.
Chemistry.
Chemistry.
Pero mga basic lang yan. Pang-review na rin sa NTI yan. Physics. NTI kayo sa Monday. Chloe, Earth Science.
Yes! Exercise.
And, tagal lang ano. Space Science.
Space science.
Okay. So, since si CJ ang naiiwan sa grupo, pick a question. Category and number. Dollar amount. Please na.
Space science 200.
Sige. Pwedeng diretso na. Okay na. Taasan. Ako muna. This planet was named after the Roman god of war. Taas mo.
Hindi na yun. Ay, dapat hindi na yun.
Who is Jupiter?
Jupiter is wrong. Hindi na.
Ah!
Be careful ha. Pag mali, minus yung amount na naroon.
Paano mo kapag siya?
Pag mali, negative siya. Pwede hindi sumagot. Okay ba? Hindi alam. Sayang lang ang answer. Tapos ng music, wala na. Okay, wala na.
Ay!
Ganun ba yun?
Ay,
The answer is Mars. Mars is
Walang
wrong.
babae.
Si Kumaring Mars.
Yeah.
Ang pala sabi Mars sa akin.
Sorry, Mars.
Mars naman.
Next. Since ikaw nagsalita, go.
Earth Science for $200.
Yes. Dali lang naman natin. It is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust, but also in the human body.
Earth's crust.
I'll give you another clue back. It is the second abundant in the atmosphere. Yeah. Correct. Zero na yung ano mo. Amount mo. Next. Hindi, tingnan. Napindot. Huwag mo kasi alis ko sa lugar. Yeah, go.
You pick.
Ay, ako pala.
Huwag mo na yung alis sa lugar.
Space Science for 400.
Tapusin pero.
8 and 9 planets. 8 to 9 planets, comets, and asteroids revolve around the star. What do you call that group?
Is it the sun?
What is it? What is?
What is the sun?
Sun is wrong. That group ang sinasabi ko. The group. Anong tawag sa kanila?
Ah. Pwede ba?
Yeah.
Ah.
Minus for a little.
Ano ba yun?
Ano din yung masagot?
Alam ko na. Balik ako.
Okay, di ka na sagot.
Is it solar system?
Solar system. Yung tawag sa kanila group. Okay, next.
Yes.
CJ, go. Next, diretso na agad. Ang dami niya. 30 questions.
The body.
Yan. Madami kasi. Madami.
Ano?
Amount.
The body ko.
Hindi kasi marinig. This is how many bones are in the human body.
Ay, 260. Huh? 206.
Okay, hindi ka na what is.
Ay!
Okay. Sinong sasagot? Kailangan what is, who is.
Gusto ko tuming.
Ikaw.
How many?
Hindi, what is.
Ay, what is 2?
What?
What is 200?
Correct.
May pag-iitan? What is 2?
What is, who is. Ayun lang halos. What is, who is.
And the press.
Next, Chloe, go.
Chemistry 200.
Chemistry 2. This is a chemical symbol for gold.
Ba! Sabi na eh.
Autumn or AU? Autumn or
Hindi
AU?
ka
What
nag-watch
is
it.
AU?
Okay.
Direct.
What is aluminum? Motor.
Huh?
Pag nalimutan yung what is, tas tama sagot, walang minus yan.
What is?
Next.
Okay.
Di Maria. 400 ba yun?
Biology.
200. Okay.
Biology.
Ilan?
200.
Ayun yung 1,000.
No.
Later na yun.
This mammal sleeps upside down in caves.
What?
What is a bat?
Correct. Mabilis ka dadaan kasi.
Hindi dapat eh.
Yes, isa.
Next.
Ano gusto niyo?
Ay, tanong.
Ano dyan yung iba na
Sige, ano?
Biology for 400.
Pwedeng diretso. Biology 4, para mabilis. This blood vessel transports oxygen from the heart to the body.
What is the heart? I'm from the heart.
The heart was wrong. Okay. Okay, hula. Tayo.
Wait. Ayoko kumuha sa this blood vessel. Ano pa naman alam mo? Blood vessel.
Blood vessel.
Blood vessel.
Ah! Ano? Hindi.
Okay, CJ, ka na.
What is blood cell?
Blood cells is wrong. Okay. Time's up. Sagot tayo. Arteries.
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 Blood vessel kasi siya. Next.
Rheumatis lang ang syunga natin.
Yes. CJ, ka na.
Hindi ko alam.
CJ, ka na.
Sige, try natin. Physics 200.
Sige. Physics 200.
Talaga ng physics sa zero pala.
The scientist who got hit on the head by an apple.
Where's Isaac Newton?
Tama. Correct. Taas agad.
Albert, di ka sa
Next.
Ay, mata.
Una.
Earth Science 4.
Right. The theory explaining how continents move. Uy, lesson nyo yun.
What is Pangea?
Pangea is wrong. Theory.
What is tectonic plates?
Okay, correct.
Giling!
Yeah, okay. Next.
Tulungan mo ako.
Hindi, pili na agad.
The body for
Body 4. Commonly known as the largest organ in the body.
What is skin?
Correct. Ayan na si zero na yung ano mo. Hindi agad, madami pa.
Chemistry 4.
A pure substance that cannot be broken down by chemical processes. Lesson natin dati, matter, pure substance. Uri ng pure substance.
Wait!
Ay, ba?
Okay, natapos yung music, wala na.
A pure substance that cannot be broken down by
Ay, wala. The answer is element.
Ha?
Element, hindi kaya sirain yung something na.
Next po.
Sige, lima yan, ikaw naman, pili.
364.
Ayun naman natin.
No.
This law states that every action must have an equal and opposite reaction.
Wait.
Law.
Yun, ano yun? What is the law of inertia?
No, not
Ay,
law of
hindi.
inertia. Okay? Next, go.
Try. Ay, hindi. Magkakautang ako. Huwag na.
Sige, tayo.
Ayun nga.
Law, anong law yun?
Pwede po bang like number lang?
Hindi siya number, ano siya? Law. Pangalan.
Ah! What is interaction?
Okay, sige. Law of
Yes!
Ang alam ko, third law of motion ang sasabihin ko sa ano.
Hindi, kailangan specific. Next.
Sino?
Okay, 18 questions pa.
Base science.
Space Science 6. Listen na. Lipat mo na agad. A celestial body that enters the Earth's atmosphere and reaches the Earth's surface. CJ now.
What is asteroid?
Asteroids wrong.
May
What
utang
is
ako!
meteor?
Meteor, no?
What is meteoroid?
Ha?
Meteoroid!
Ano yung sinabi mo? Ang bakit? Sumagot ka na. Meteor?
Right.
Oh yeah, correct.
Pwede makakancel lang.
Meteoroid, iba yan, iba yan.
Makakancel po ba yung score ko?
Ano sabi? Meteoroid kasi year.
So, mababawas po lang ako kasi una siya sumagot.
Sure,
Hindi na, hindi ka na sasagot.
Sir, magkano po yun ako?
Ay, sunod po meteoroid. Mamaya. Meteoroid, sorry.
Sumagot ba si CJ?
Formula.
Minus.
Guys.
Sige, next. Wala.
Ako, Earth Science 600.
It is the most abundant gas in the atmosphere, makes up 78%.
What is carbon?
Carbon dioxide is wrong.
Wrong.
What is hydrogen?
Correct.
Yes!
Next.
Nitrogen.
Go, Chloe. Go.
The body is 600.
Ay, yun 1,000 para mabawasan.
Ay,
Six.
600!
Both the digestive and endocrine gland, people with diabetes usually worry about this organ.
What is blood?
Blood's organ. Organ siya.
Tagalog lang alam ko yun.
What is liver?
Liver, no? Yeah.
What is...
Hindi, wala.
Sa best lang, sa best lang.
Ang Tagalog kasi.
Kasi pag kami liver diabetes.
Yeah, bravo.
na pala.
Gako lang.
Ano? Pancreas.
Ah!
Okay, yung insulin. Insulin kasi.
Gallbladder pa yan.
Next, go with it.
Chemistry 600. Sorry
Anything that occupies space and has mass. Uy,
Wait.
6 meron ba yan?
Wait.
Blair.
Ayoko magkakautang naman ako kung pinawali. Ay, siya ako. Ayoko nga lutang.
Ala, lesson ng grade. Delete ko yan sa ng NKD.
Ay, guys, sinutuwa kayo.
Space and
Ang dami ko ng utang.
Nabito lang. Mamamaya lang.
Space and mass.
Lutang lahat.
Ah!
Sige, sagot.
Hindi! Magkakutang ako. Mali.
So right. Matter.
Mara.
Oh, mali yung area yung sasagot ko eh.
Next. Yes, next na. Next po. DJ, ikaw na sige.
Biology 6.
Body cells multiply by this cell division. Anong tawag sa cell division na yan? Favorite niyo yan dati.
Yung topic pa na topic. Mitosis.
Correct.
Biology 6.
Bayad na yung 600 mo kanina.
Ay,
Ano may
meron
negative?
points na po akong
Oh, meron ka pa.
Okay.
So,
Physics.
ayun talaga ng ibang
Six.
6. Sige.
Papataas ka din.
Amount of force multiplied by distance. Force multiplied by distance.
Wait. Alam ko to.
Ilan sa natin dati yan?
Hindi auxiliary.
Force multiplied by distance.
What is work?
Work, correct.
Ilan tayo nasa utak?
Work.
Ako auxiliary.
First, next na. Next
Work
na.
is not for
Ay,
Ayun naman yung tingnan.
ito nabasa. So,
Kaya
natutunin
yung
ako.
sa kasi, Bili.
Earth Science 8.
Earth Science 8.
Earth Science.
Uy!
Wait, bye! Ay!
Yeah,
Earth
wala.
Science! Walang
Tuloy na. The nutrient is commonly mentioned along with skincare products.
Oh.
Binanggit sa Katalastas yan.
Yung mga skincare.
I'll give you a
Hindi
clue.
mo skincare.
Ay, ako parang...
Kaya
Ano ba? Skincare na. I'll give you a clue. Starts with the letter K.
Skincare?
Okay.
Sa buhok kasi naisip.
Sa Katalastas yan. Ano?
Sa buhok kasi.
5. Sige, kanani lang sa bracket. 8, 9, 10. So, the keratin.
Sabi ko na ako eh.
Ayun,
So,
okay. Keratin.
Tama!
Ayan. Sayang 800. Ile. Kaya.
Space Science 800.
So, that's space now.
Kasi
Space.
mga magkausap. Space 800.
A planet that got demoted, also a name of a famous dog. CJ lang.
Is it Pluto?
What?
What is Pluto?
Sige, okay. Next. Dami pa, CJ. Next na.
Earth Science 8.
Earth Science 8. A type of rock that came from a volcano.
Wait.
Okay.
What is a sedimentary rock?
No.
Ay, ano yun eh? Ang dami ko
Isip.
utang!
Isip.
What is metamorphic? Ay,
No,
hindi.
Yun. Yung isa.
My nose!
Yung isa.
What is igneous rock?
Correct.
Chicken Lord!
Okay, next.
Utang pa ako dito. Ilang utang
Sir,
ko?
magkano?
Mamaya. Bibilangin natin.
Dami kong utang!
Bilis.
Earth size 1,000. Wow!
It is a Japanese word for harbor wave.
What is tsunami?
Correct.
Nagkakasagot ako!
Ready na natin. Go.
Space science 1,000.
Space Science 1000.
Oh!
Try na.
He was the first person to step on the moon. Kahit apelido.
Who is Neil Armstrong?
Correct.
Wala pa halos pa yung
Busin lang natin yan. Go. Round 2, baka kalahati na yan. Go.
Biology.
Part of the brain responsible for movement.
Ano yun yung 7?
What is cerebellum?
Correct. Last 6 questions.
Physics 8.
Physics 8.
Sa lagabi.
It is also named after a song, but it's what keeps us from floating away.
What is gravity?
Correct. Oh, may kantang gravity mo. Pili.
Chemistry
Chemistry 8. It is found to the right of a chemical reaction.
8. Right.
Sa kanan.
Right.
Or chemical equation.
Sa baba.
Chemical equation.
What is product?
Correct. Okay, lapit na. Tatapos na.
Babayan mo na utang mo.
In round 2, baka 15 na lamang. Kasi wala nang tayo. Sige, go.
The body 1,000.
Round 2, pwedeng kalahati.
The body 1,000.
Ayaw kasi manunong, mountain.
Hammer, anvil, and staples are the 3 smallest type of what organ? Anong organ? Hindi siya sumagot kaya nag-attempt ka eh. Go, BJ.
Ay, hindi ako mag-a-attend.
3.
Digo.
Anong organ yung hammer, anvil, staples?
Organ ba yun eh?
Gensa yan, Gensa.
What is bone?
Walang kabiho!
Ano sabi mo?
Hindi yung organ!
Ano sabi mo?
Yung organ!
Ano sabi mo? Ah,
What is bone?
bone. Yes, bone yun. Bone yun tatlong.
Organ mo ba yun?
Bone yun.
Ang sakit yan! Ano ba yun?
Bone sa ear. Bone sa ear yun eh. Bone sa ear.
Ear pa naman sasagot.
Walang kabiho! Hindi ko sinagot.
Next, last na anong topic na? Topic na lang.
Chemistry 1.
The scientist credited for the modern periodic table.
Who is Ivanovich Mendeleev?
Okay, correct. Yeah. Correct. Last 2, physics. It is an electromagnetic wave between visible light and X-rays.
What is UV light?
Wow, correct.
Ayaw ka na!
Last one.
Sabi ko ba?
This person theorized evolution.
Hindi yun, hindi ko alam.
Okay, I'll give you a clue. His last name is also the name of Gumball's
Me.
brother.
Sino yun?
Sino kilala si
Ah,
Gumball?
yes! Yes!
Darwin.
Correct.
Darwin.
Charles Darwin. Okay?
Dapat
Ah,
si Darwin.
we'll be back with round 2. Bilangin lang muna. We are back with round 2. The participants have the total amount of money are Blair is 1,200, CJ is 1,600, Chloe is 800, Lee is 4,400. Now, this is double or nothing. So, double nothing. This is double jeopardy, kaya everything is double. Kaya pwede mo mabutin. Even the minus points. Kaya be careful. So 15 questions lang tayo because we're running out of time. 15 questions lang ang gagamitin natin. So, since hindi Mario lang ang pinakamataas,
Types of energy 200.
types of energy 200. A process of nuclear energy where atoms split into 2. Nauna ka sa nauna. Ikaw tapos.
What is fission?
Correct. Tapusin niyo muna yung sinabi ko sa kayo magtaas. Ne.
May minus mo ba yun?
Hindi nauna? Hindi naman. Hindi naman sumagot. Sige. Go, pili. Gusto nyo na mataas?
Types of energy for us.
Okay. I'm in the blank, everybody knows.
What is reservoir?
Alright. Hindi ka.
Ay, hindi ko pala. Susunod ka na.
Okay, next.
Types of energy.
Ayun yung mga
six.
nilagyan ninyo. Ayun yung mga nilagyan. Sige. It is a brownish rock you also use during pharmacy. Sige.
Brownish. Ay, coal. Coal.
Ano?
Coal. What is coal? What is coal?
Sige,
What is
sige.
coal?
Warning nyo na.
What is cool?
Ulit ko ulit. Wala ka. Sige.
Hindi, tataas ko na eh. Sayang.
Yan. Huwag mo ulitin yan.
Periodic
Go.
200.
Periodic
Taas mo
200.
na.
The Russian chemist who was credited. Yun talaga. Ulit ko.
Who is Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev?
Okay.
Ano si ano? Right?
Russia. Sino ba? Sige, next na.
Periodic table 400. Ready?
Nakakainis na naman natin.
It determines the number of protons and electrons.
What is valence electrons?
No. Yeah. Okay kayo. Go.
Hindi ako sa atin para sa
Pwede di sumagot. Pwede di sumagot. Sipin nyo. Alam nyo yan. Periodic table.
Ako ulit! Wait, yung bawas! Ano po?
Atomic number. Di ba?
Okay.
Ang ibig sabihin ng atomic number, ilan yung ulit?
Next.
Sige, next na. D.
Periodic table 600.
Ayun yung
Grabe
graphic.
ka ha.
This group includes hydrogen, lithium, potassium, and sodium.
Ano pa sa second group?
Group, pangalan ng group. Hindi group 1, group 2, yung pangalan.
Yung ano.
Ay.
Hindi mo na sa hilina. Oo! Ayoko kayong mag-try. Ang taas.
Baka magkamali, sayang ang pira. Try mo ka. Go.
What is alkaline?
Okay, correct.
Alkaline!
Why? Huwag mo kasi ialis. Inaalis mo kasi. Dapat tulungan na.
Highly ka na!
Next.
Go! Group 1, alkaline. Types of energy 8.
Types of energy 8. Solar panels are made up of this type of cell. Known as LED.
What is photovoltaic cell?
Ay, nagkano yung shirt ko.
Tumingin na lang yung
Paano pag may alis nga ito? Kindot mo, kung na yung alis.
Ganito ka.
Lilig ko eh.
Oh, sige.
Go.
Periodic table 8.
Periodic table 8.
Grabe si Rimar. Hindi yung mga alam.
This group is also known as 7A. Always combines with group 1.
Malaki din.
Pangalan ng group sa group 7.
Ay, hindi nga pala yun.
What is holograms?
Okay, correct.
Ay, group 7 na pala! Skip!
Last 7
Periodic
questions.
table.
Ayun yung sukat.
Ayaw po na. Periodic table.
Good, yung si Rimar. Ba naman? Sawa niya.
This group does not interact that much with other, does not interact with other elements. Nauna ka masyado sa akin. Ay, matapos.
What is thermobas?
Correct.
Good lang yun.
Hindi.
Ay,
Sunod
types
kasi.
na types.
Hindi.
Ano dyan?
Iba naman, dito naman.
Types of energy. Types of energy. Types of energy.
Ay, so
Bawa na kayo.
The Niagara Falls in the US was used to get power using this type of energy. Waterfalls.
Kung kayo din ang natatay.
No, hindi yun. Iba yung hydrothermal is ano eh. Sige.
Ayoko na mag-try. Ay, mali ko pa lang yun.
Try ka. Ay, tama na yung sarili ko.
Check ko rin Chloe, pagka parehas lang naman sila, ipaplas ko na sa iyo. Pero may isang
Di ba, alam ko kasi
Iba yun.
saan din yung hydrothermal.
Oo.
Alaki na.
Hydrothermal and...
Nag-cast mo siya, dadami ko nag-cast siya. Hindi siya sumagot.
Grabe.
Sige, i-delete ko na 1,000 mo. Kasi ang sagot sa ano ko, hydroelectric. Pati na kung parehas lang yun.
Ay, sasabay ka kayo tao.
Di ba hydrothermal po kasi
Hydrothermal
sila
kasi
eh.
yung init ng ano eh. Ayan,
Tubig sa
iba yata
ilalim.
yun. Pero double check ko rin. Sige.
Guys,
Ah,
Next na,
pila,
hilahin.
pila, pila.
Kaya dito.
Ah,
Ay, 12, wait lang. 5, 10, 5 pa.
Photosynthesis 200.
Photosynthesis, ayun yung mahal.
Ayoko na.
Since 6H12O6 is this compound's name.
Ay, binanggit mo yung
Name.
kanina. Nemo! Iba yung Nemo!
Pangalan mo.
Nemo! Scientific! Nemo 8404. Sabi niyo. Sarap po ito sa
Ay, 200. What is combustion?
Passion is wrong.
Element test! Mom's name.
Ano pangalan mo?
Sa total.
Ano ba sagot?
Nasagot, ano, glucose.
Minus.
Glucose ang pangalan.
Ano nga?
Pangalan naman ay glucose.
Next.
Next. Apat na lang, sige. Sige.
Ano?
Ayan na, magagal sila sa...
Stoichiometry.
Stoichiometry!
Stoichiometry 1,000.
Sige, sige. Avogadro's number, please specify. So,
Galing ko nga ba?
Memo.
Ay, yung ano talaga.
Oh, yung number.
Yung
Oh, yung number. Go.
1 is 6.022 times 10 raised to the 23rd power.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Correct.
Ay, hindi. Pag may kopya.
Okay, next. Oh,
Slide.
Slide wizard. Slide share.
ginagalaw.
Slide
Right.
Ito ay marinig lang. Ay, yung sinabing Nemo.
1,8 minus 2.
Hindi na lang.
Last three.
Stoichiometry 2.
Taas mo na din.
Unit of the amount of a substance, name of an animal.
What is mole?
Correct.
Okay.
Yun ang kagubay kahapon.
Last two. Last two.
Acid base. What?
O,
Ay,
ilan na, magkano?
taasan yun ako.
1,000. Ayun, 1,000.
Sige. When an acid and base combine, they are also called young.
Acid base.
Matalo na ako.
Acid base. Acid base.
Ako!
Ayan, sige.
What is salt?
Salt, correct. That's one. Yay, that's one.
What is photosynthesis?
Ilan?
What is photosynthesis? 1,000.
Okay, last one. Source of energy of plants and animal cells. It has a long name. Photosynthesis yan, photosynthesis.
Oh, iyan lang na. Iyan.
Ayoko 2,000 na mabawat sa akin.
Sort of
Ayoko kasi delikado. Loko.
Okay, ang sagot ay ano? Adenosine triphosphate.
Ay, walang joke eh.
Okay, we're done. We'll be back with round 3. Yung chemical reaction ng photosynthesis, di ba? Yung ano nangyari, ano yung mga nag-react, tas ano yung kinalabasan, chemicals or compounds or elements na involved sa photosynthesis. Sige, 30 seconds. Go, pagtugin mo na lang yung nasa taas.
Maglabas.
Okay,
Hindi ko
time's up.
sagot. Nasa
Time's up, papakita natin. Carbon dioxide,
Ba yan?
oxygen. Ang dalawa lang na yung sulat niya. Sige, dioxide.
Ito.
Pagtatlo ang tama, tatanggapin ko.
Wala yung nakasulat.
Wala dito.
Okay,
Ay, nasa ilalim ng bag ni Maria.
Okay.
Carbon.
Nasa na ibet.
Oxygen labas.
Sa labas.
Carbon no labas.
Sa labas. Okay. Ang sagot, ang winner The winner of the Jeopardy is...
Lima!
Pay for Mariano!
Second place is...
CJ!
Third place is Chloe. Ito tingnan ko rin ang fourth place nila. Let's see, tingnan na natin yung...
Kami na lang
pamali ang
din!
bilang.
Yes!
Pwede tie for third place sila. Pwede. Okay? So, thank you for participating. Good night.
I'm tired. Next.
Smile.
Tiklawi.
Bilang ka lang si Bana. Bilang.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa.
Saka.
1, 2, 3.
May man.
Okay. Thank you.